Oh, Paul. Hello, Paul. How are you?
Hello, Ibu. I'm good. How are you?
Yeah, thank you, Paul, for coming. We
Thank
will
you.
wait for your friend first, yeah?
Okay, okay.
Okay, thank you. Oh, where are you, Paul? In campus or in the house?
I'm in the house.
Oh, still in the near the near campus?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay. So when will you have what? Oh, working in the what, PKL or magang?
PKL, I think,
Oh,
after.
or
I'm going to take.
in Sukabumi or in another place?
I don't know yet because I do not get.
Oh, not yet, yeah. Yeah, I hope you have a great time, yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. Yeah, your friend not coming here, but we have to start, yeah.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So, okay, yeah, today even only Paul will start, yeah, because later maybe there is some student will have another class, yeah. Now, and I will record this class also, so don't worry, yeah, for another student. Yeah, today I will share about financial plan and projection for electrical engineering business. Yeah, uh, the introduction. The electrical engineering business has a great potential because the demand for electrical installation service, yeah, every house, every office, every factory, industry, and many more have electricity, yeah, and it's a big potential for the electrical engineering, yeah. Maintenance also, and also need sales of electronic product, yeah, continue to increase along with the growth of infrastructure, urbanization, yeah. People go around, yeah, from the village to the city, and technological development, yeah, there is always a new technology coming, yeah. So sometimes people change the uh, component about that. And however, like any other business, the success of an electrical engineering business depends heavily on financial planning and realistic projection, yeah. In this PowerPoint, we will discuss the step to create a financial plan and projection for an electrical engineering business in detail. Yeah, even it's just a simple, but I guess it's enough for the example. Yeah, we will also include simple case study, risk analysis, opportunities, and reference from academic literature to support the information. Yeah, because sometimes if one day maybe you will have a business, your own business, yeah, is if it's in electrical engineering or maybe in another field, yeah, but at least this is the example, yeah. Why is financial planning important in business, yeah? Financial planning is the process of identifying source of income, allocating expenses, and projecting future financial conditions. According to Brigham and Houston 2019, financial planning has several main benefits for business actors. Yeah, identifying growth opportunities. Yeah, by understanding the current financial condition, business actors can find area that can be developed. Managing risk effectively. Financial planning help identify potential risks and design mitigation strategy. Yeah. Improving operational efficiency. Good financial management ensures that every rupiah, yeah, or every money is used optimally. And for electrical engineering business, financial planning become even more important because it involves significant initial investment in equipment and inventory as well as fluctuating operating costs. In addition, this business often require Taskia often require significant working capital. Someone want to join. Mary. Okay, I will continue again. Yeah. Uh, for electrical engineering, financial planning because even more important because it involves significant initial investment in equipment and inventory as well as fluctuating operating costs. In addition, this business often requires significant working capital to complete long-term project. Yeah. And then step by step making. Yeah. Identifying revenue source. The main revenue source is an electrical engineering business can be divided into three main categories. One, electrical installation service. Yeah. Electrical installation service are one of the main revenue sources in an electrical engineering business. Yeah, because every every people, every house, every business, yeah, and every yeah, we need electricity now. Yeah, nobody can stand if there is no electricity. Yeah, here are the details. Yeah, household new installation usually done when there is a new house construction or major renovation. Yeah, usually when there is still a new house. Yeah, you need to make installation, electrical installation. Yeah, like you need to know how many point. Yeah, you want to make how many lamp, how much, how long the cable, and where is the stop contact, where is the MCB, and everything. You have to plan everything when you first have a new house. Yeah, the new installation range from 5 to 10 million rupiah, but it depends of the size of the house and complexity of the work. Yeah, and then repairs and upgrades. Yeah, for example, adding electrical outlets, fixing short circuit. Yeah, because it's very important. If you don't fix short circuit, one day it will become like fire. Yeah, dangerous. Yeah, or replacing electrical panels. Yeah, if a big house. Repair costs usually range from 1 to 5 to 3 million. Yeah, it depends of the complexity. And then commercial. Nah, commercial is like in the shops and restaurant. Yeah, electrical installation for shops or restaurants typically include the installation of lights. Yeah, because usually there is some kind of different lights. Yeah, in the restaurant. Yeah, and also electrical outlets. Yeah, and air conditioning system. Yeah, because we need AC. Yeah, in the restaurant. Yeah, the cost of a small commercial project ranges from 50 to 30 million. Yeah, but it depends. Yeah, and then office building, electrical installation project. Ada Jikri. Ya, thank you di Jikri. Electrical installation project for office building are usually more complex, yeah, because like Nusa Putra, in one building we have 6 floor, yeah, and we have two building, yeah. You can imagine how many lamp, how many electric outlet, and how many air conditioner, and many more, yeah. And there is AC also, no, lift, yeah. I mean we have lift also with a big apa power, yeah. And then more complex, yeah. Power distribution, electrical panel, and automation system. The cost of this project can reach 50 to 100 million or maybe more, it depends, yeah. And then the industry, yeah. The industrial electrical panel. Installing electrical panels for large factories or industry requires planning and special equipment. The cost of industrial project can reach hundreds of millions to billions of rupiah, yeah, because industry have a high power, yeah, to support the machine, yeah. And also you can imagine, yeah, you have to go to the industry to see the big machine and many machine, and also it's very complicated, yeah. Many outlet, many panel, yeah. Automation control system. Installing automation control system for industrial machine is also high value service, yeah. But you have to have a skill in automation control, yeah, like SCADA, PLC, yeah. It's very valuable, yeah. They will pay you a lot, yeah, if you can do it, yeah. The cost of this project can reach 200 to 500 million depending on the scale, yeah. And then sales of electronic product, yeah. Usually we need electronic product, yeah, like these various electrical component and engineering equipment, yeah. Also electronic component, yeah. Some example are electrical component like cable, switch, socket, and electrical safety device such as MCB, yeah. Usually they sell the electrical and electronic in one place, yeah. The profit margin from the sale of this product usually range to 20 to 40%. And then engineering equipment, like sometimes you need multimeter, analog or digital, professional soldering iron, electrical test equipment, yeah, maybe oscilloscope, yeah. This product usually have a higher profit margin, which is 30 to 50%, yeah. And then maintenance and fixing, yeah. Yeah, if we have electricity, electronic, and automation, also we need maintenance of and repair, because if something happen, usually we cannot repair and maintenance ourselves, yeah. Now, maintenance and repair service include routine maintenance, periodic inspection of electrical systems to ensure safety and efficiency. Routine maintenance costs usually range from 500,000 to 2 million rupiah per location, yeah. So maybe every 6 months or 1 year, yeah, they will check uh, your electrical system, yeah. Is it short circuit or need some repairment? So it will be safe, yeah. And then emergency repair, for example repairing short circuit or damage to electrical panel, yeah. Emergency repair costs are usually higher, ranging from 1 to 5 million or more depending on the level of the damage, yeah. And according to Kotler and Keller, income diversification can increase business stability because it does not depend on just one source. Yeah. Therefore, electrical engineering business are advised to offer a variety of service in order to attract more customer. Yeah, maybe you and your friend have different skill, and you can make one company, maybe one one in Arduino or microcontroller, or another in electrical. Yeah, like installation, electricity, and the other is automation, and the other sales component and Arduino. Yeah, you can make one company and you can make money together. Yeah, so for first you have to get the skill first. Yeah, you can get for the certification. Yeah, and then count the operating costs. Yeah, operating costs are all expenses required, yeah, to run an electrical engineering business. These costs can be divided into two categories. Yeah, first, fixed costs. Fixed costs are expenses that are relatively constant each month, even though the volume of work fluctuates. For example, business premises rental. Yeah, if you have physical business premise, yeah, if you have your own business offline, yeah, like you need to rent a place, yeah, like 2 to 5 million per month depending on the location. Yeah, the better the location, usually it will become expensive. Yeah, but if you have your own strategic place, it means you don't have to spend a lot of money to rent a place. Yeah, it means that you can use the money for renting a place for another. Yeah, and then employee salaries. The salaries of technician or field workers ranges from 3 to 5 million per employee per month. Yeah, or maybe less or more. Yeah, depend of the place. Yeah, if you have two employees, the total monthly salary is 6 to 10 million. Maybe for the first it can be less than that, because maybe at first you don't have customer, or it's still quiet, or you don't have promotion, and many more. Yeah, and then business insurance. Insurance to protect assets and legal liability usually range from 500,000 to 1 million rupiah. Yeah, this amount maybe could be different in every country, on every place. Yeah, but you can check. Yeah, administration cost, the cost of, if you pay the electricity every month, internet connection, telephone, yeah, smartphone, and other administrative needs, it is around 1 or 2 million rupiah per month. Yeah, but it depends. Yeah, and then total fixed cost is 7.5 million. Yeah, and then the variable costs. Yeah, variable costs are expenses that change according to the volume of work. Yeah, for example, raw material. If you purchase of cable, switch, socket, or other electrical component, estimated monthly raw material costs are 3 to 5 million. Yeah, and then transportation cost for technician to the project location around 1 or 2 million per month. Yeah, maybe it's for the gasoline and then service. Yeah, or maybe to pay parking. Yeah, and then business tax. Yeah, business tax usually range from 1 to 2% of income. If monthly income is 48 million, taxes around 4 for 480,000 to 960,000. And then the marketing, yeah, advertising, promotion, or website creation. Yeah, it can be making a banner, yeah, or making website, or maybe you can promote to YouTube or Google. Yeah, or TikTok, or Instagram. Yeah, maybe, yeah, a new way of promoting costs around 500 to 1 million per month. Yeah, totally monthly variable cost. Yeah, it can change. Yeah, it depends of your volume of work. It may be 5 million or less or more. Yeah. And then initial investment is the capital you need to start an electrical engineering business. Some items that require initial investment include basic work tools like pliers, screwdrivers, tester, etc. cost around 5 million rupiah. And then the special equipment like analog and digital multimeter, professional soldering iron, electrical test equipment, etc. cost around 10 million ya or more ya, it depends of your business ya. And then maybe if you use simulation ya, simulation because some business you need to make simulation ya, like electrical engineering, electrical installation in the house, on factory or office. You need to draw with your
Hello,
Excuse
I have
me, bro.
another
I
class
have
right
another
now.
class right now.
I have another
I
class
have
right
another
now.
class right now.
Yeah, for the
Yeah,
accent.
for the accent.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.